How to know if WhatsApp message is read without the blue tick mark. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if the person you've sent the messages to have turned on the read receipt, then even when they open your chat and read the message, you will not find about it. So what you're gonna do is, first of all, launch the application on your device. Then go to the chat you want to find it out. Now, if they have their read receipt on, as you can see, even when they seen the message, the blue tick will not appear. So, in order to find it out, what you're going to do is first of all, create a group. Now in the group, add that person as a member. Then, if you send a message in the group, even if they have their read receipt on, the blue tick mark will appear after they see the message. So this is how you can find it out. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.